Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of education and assessment. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as examination, examination, ig, sa, mine, shun. Examination. It refers to a formal test or evaluation designed to measure a person's knowledge, skills, or abilities in a particular subject or area. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about examination, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.